section. Today's my topic is states and capitals of India.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chhattisgarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Gopal,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Gopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Mizoram, Aizwarai,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gango,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Cork, Lucknow,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Jagrao, Uttarakhand, Dehradun,
West Bengal,
Kolkata. Thank you.